How exciting does day 11 look? It looks very, very exciting. Very, very exciting. Yes, it does. Let's start with caterpillar box. Yes, now I'm wounded. Yes, I know. The nails will get done eventually, but I bet you know I'm filming ahead here. 11. The fire is so delightful. Ooh, ooh, it's fabric. Oh, no, it's not fabric. It's a chart. And as we believe in copyright, I cannot show it to you because it's a chart. I can tell you, however, it is a beautiful picture. It says Mistletoe Lane, and it is a stunning picture of a red door and a very pretty house. Oh, I really like that. I feel like caterpillar cross stitch keeps it simple, and you just want to stitch and let your mind go. It's perfect for that. What I've been doing is laminating the charts. I have a little laminator. I love lamination. It's very calm. It's very soothing. You just laminate your heart away. We have a dinosaur. Then we have more pictures. Have you noticed the theme? Little elf there. So you put the box back. Black Needle Society. We're always excited. And I brought my scissors. I brought my scissors this time. The nice list. Ooh, ooh. Ooh. Okay, it feels like scissors, but I don't think it's scissors. It's snippers. Oh. People tell me, this is my first pair of snippers. Get those threads. Oh, I like these. Snip snips. Okay, that's from the Black Needle Society, day 11. I knew it had something to do with cutting something. Look at this pretty nostalgia. Little girl dressed up with her little dog. Okay, that's a big dog. This is Merry Christmas from Plum Street Samplers. This is from the Most Wonderful box. And I'm gonna move it out of the way because you know there's a lot of crinkling involved here. Oh, I love it. I love it. A Merry Gentleman. Plum Street Samplers. A Merry Gentleman. That is really pretty. I'm thinking when I have a pattern such as this, Heatherfield. Do you remember Heatherfield? Ada and Lennon. Heatherfield had this almost as if you were stitching on wool, and there's no more of it left. So I do have a stockpile. So I keep that in mind. This is day 11 from Stitchy Box. It's their bash box, their smaller bash box. And again, I have to make sure that I can show the picture of the chart without showing the chart. This is nice. It's called the Stitcherhood Simply Divine Cross Stitch Quaker Tree 2018. Oh, the Stitcherhood. And I've noticed, now this screams to me over dyed threads. Like just use it over dyed and keep stitching. So I feel like day 11 is kind of like Zen. Like you can just chill and stitch. Okay. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa. That was day 11.